Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your subscriptions here in Basecamp. All right. Start by logging into your Basecamp account. And then once you're in here, just go to the top right and click on Admin Land. Okay. Click on it. Now, if you are an owner of the organization, well, you must have the upgraded version of your account. All right. Let's say you're just a client or a worker of the specific organization. Well, you don't have to upgrade your Basecamp account. All right. So going back as the owner of the organization or the projects, you can go ahead and go to Admin Land. Now scroll all the way down and you will find your subscription in here. Just basically click on the first result right here at the top. Click on it. You should be able to see these two options where it says cancel your account or pause your account. As you can see here, you can actually pause your account. Okay. And it says here, if you don't need Basecamp right now, you can just go ahead and hold off on paying for Basecamp. You can pause your account. Otherwise, if Basecamp just isn't right for you, you can cancel your account hassle-free. All right. Again, if you just want to pause your account, just click on pause right here. You can pause your account for up to 6 months for free. It says here you won't be charged while your account is paused. Keep all your projects, people, and data. Pick up right where you left off at any time. And Basecamp right here will be happy to see you stick around. All right. So click on pause if you want that. But if not, you can just easily click on cancel your account. All right. Now to cancel, if you can't find it right here at the bottom right, just go back to Admin Land. Now scroll all the way down and you'll find to cancel this account. But before canceling your account, you might want to export all of your data. You might want to transfer to another CRM where you can just go ahead and import your exported data from Basecamp. Okay, click on export data right here, follow the simple prompts, or you can go ahead and check out the video on this channel on how to export your data here in Basecamp. All right, we have a ton of Basecamp tutorial videos as well. Now, once you're done exporting your data, you can go ahead and click on cancel this account. All right, if this is what you wanted. Now, when you select this option, you'll never get charged for Basecamp again. It will erase all of your projects, people, and data permanently. When you go ahead and create a new project or account, well, you'll have to start all over again. Okay, or import the data that you just exported. Now it says here, your account will be closed immediately and your data will be permanently deleted from our servers within 30 days and from all backups within 60 days. Right? Again, if you're really sure, click on yes, cancel my account, wait for it, and it says here, your account has been canceled. And when you go and scroll all the way down, it says here, if you have second thoughts about cancellation, or if you have any questions, you can submit a billing support request. Just right click on this hyperlink and then click on copy link address. And the next time, maybe you'd like to contact their support team, you can just go ahead and paste the same exact link that you just copied right here. Okay. And there you have it. That is how you manage your subscription here in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.